Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular portable washing machines, the Anypro and the Elevon. Both are designed for compact living spaces, such as apartments and RVs, but they have distinct features that cater to different needs. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one might be the best fit for you. The Anypro portable washing machine is fully automatic, allowing for a set-and-forget operation with 10 wash programs and 8 water levels. In contrast, the Elevon features a semi-automatic twin tub system, which requires manual transfer of clothes between the washer and spinner. This difference significantly impacts user convenience and laundry efficiency. When it comes to capacity, the Anypro has a single load efficiency of 17.8 pounds, making it suitable for smaller laundry needs. However, the Elevon boasts a combined capacity of 28 pounds, with 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning, allowing users to wash and spin simultaneously, which can save time during laundry days. In terms of durability, the Anypro features a stainless steel drum, which is known for its longevity and resistance to rust. On the other hand, the Elevon uses a plastic tub, which, while lightweight and portable, may not offer the same level of durability as stainless steel. This is an important consideration for those looking for a long-lasting appliance. In conclusion, both the Anypro and Elevon portable washing machines have their unique advantages and disadvantages. The Anypro is ideal for those who prefer a fully automatic experience, while the Elevon offers greater capacity and simultaneous operation. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision for your laundry needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.